G'day and welcome back to the Down Under Lawn. Today on the channel, Acelepryn GR by Syngenta. The greatest protection you can give to your lawn against lawn grubs. That's right, I'm going to run you through on why you need this, how you go about spreading it, and why this is the perfect solution to year-round prevention for lawn grubs. What are lawn grubs, you might ask? Stay tuned, I'll explain everything. So this product is perfect for lawn grub prevention. That's the larvae that like to eat your lawn, your fresh green lawn. So I don't know if you've ever seen witchetty grubs, but same thing. They get laid by the black beetle around this time, maybe a bit earlier, depending on the weather. And when they hatch, to get big and become black beetles of their own, they need nutrients, and that's right, you guessed it, they love the best, freshest, luscious lawns on the block. So if you've got a great lawn, then you should be using Acelepryn GR by Syngenta. So this is a 10 kilo bag. I think I got this from Lawn Hub. Highly recommend this product. So these are the three products that I'm going to need to put out my Acelepryn GR. You've got your spreader, you've got your scales, and you've got the product. So what I normally do is I just put the spreader onto the scales, tear it off, that way you know you're at zero, and then start piling it in. So I've used this spreader a lot of times. It takes about 2 kilo of product. I've got to put 1.5 kilos per 100 square meters. I've got about 160 square meters to do out the front, so you can work that out at 2.25 is 150, and then 10% is another 150 grams, so 2.385 kilos. So another handy tip, after you've measured your lawn and you're putting out granulars, whether that's insecticide or fertilizer, is having a set of scales. So that way you know exactly, you've got your square meterage and you know how much product per 100 square meters. It's usually written on the label. Sometimes it's in hectares, but you can break that down to 100 square meters by dividing by 100, and then you can just weigh it up. I just bought these cheap pair of kitchen scales. They work a treat, easy to read, and will save you money. Very safe, don't have to worry. So I just put this on, press the node, and there you go. It's easy as that. So this spreader has 5 different settings. I'll probably put it on the 3rd or the 4th settings. It just doesn't open the spreader as far. Very fine product. We're going to start with the Zoysia first. Alright, so I've spread that. That was very easy. They're all nice and empty. It's a bit hard to pick up, but we got there. So we're going to do the backyard now. It's about 80 square meters, so we'll work that out. It's 300 grams, so 1.2 kilos should be fine to get the job done. There you go, so we'll get that done. We'll go put it out on the back lawn. So we've got the back lawn here, as you can see. It's not in the greatest of shape. Issue we have down this side here is this garden bed got way too overgrown and it just killed all the grass. We had a trampoline in the middle there and it just killed all the grass. It was way too big for this area. There's only 80 square meters this area. So we sold it and we're going to get a small one for around the corner, and I'm just going to have grass in this little area. But we'll get this lawn grub Acelepryn out now. So probably after you apply this, you need to apply at least 3 millimeters of irrigation to it just to get it down into the soil profile. I recommend about 6 millimeters, and if you know you're going to get rain, I think even in the next week, but I'd advise in the next 24 hours. If you know you're going to get rain, then you can just let that water it in. But if you know you're going to get point where the rain's going to run off, I would avoid applying it till after that storm's gone through, and then apply it. So what we've got to do now is get the water in here. We've got irrigation out the back here. We have Toro 570 sprays. They go all over this area, and we've got Rainbird R-Vans out the front. But yeah, we'll get the irrigation on. I'll probably run this area for about 5 or 6 minutes on either side, and out the front they'll run for about 15 or 20 minutes. Alright, let's get that on. I've got the sprinklers going. I don't even know if you can see them, but these are the Toro 570 sprinklers. They just emit a lot of water in a fan space. Good for this area. Just get the water out. Not very windy, it's nice and flat, there's not much runoff. So these will go for 4, and they'll go for 4 on the other side, and then it'll be out the front. And it's a good chance to check my irrigation, make sure they're all functioning the way they're meant to for the summer season, where I really need to be pumping the water into this lawn. So I've got the hydro wires out here and just logging in. And then yeah, it's got all my different areas. I really love this hydro wires app, and I love the hydro wires hunter controller. It's very easy to use. So as you can see, I've still got all my lawn at the moment suspended. It's not watering. Only thing watering is the garden out the back here. So all you have to do is go into action, start zones, and you can manually start the zone. So you can start the north of the house. One pop-up, garden pop-up, nature strip, and the golf green. We'll do 15, 15, and 4 and 4. And that should be enough. That's the conflict. And press start. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you're enjoying the down under lawn.